my friends, I hope that you are doing great. So in the last lesson we learned how to count in Indonesian language from 1 till 100. So for today's lesson we are gonna learn how to count in Indonesian language from 100 all the way to 1 million. Let's get started. But let me ask you one question. Have you already done with the numbers from 1 till 10? If you are done from 1 till 10 in Indonesian language, that means you are already ready to watch this lesson. Okay, my friends, in the last lesson, I've stopped at the number 100. So how to say 100 in Bahasa? We say seratus, seratus. How to say 200? Dua ratus. So as you might notice that the main word is ratus here. Pretty easy, right? So for now, how to say this number? Can you tell? Have you got it correctly? So to say this number in Bahasa, we say 364. 364. Or simply you can say 364.
Let's continue, my friends. So how can we say 1000 in Bahasa? We say 1000, or we can say as well 1000, but the common one is 1000. How to say 2000? We say 2000, and so on. Finally, to say a million in Bahasa, we say juta, juta. So for example, 7 million, 7 juta. Oh yeah, my friends, there is just one note that I have to share it with you guys. Like sometimes the Indonesian people, they use the suffix which is an at the end of these two words, ribu and juta. For example, saying 1000, or saying 7 juta and 7 million, and so on. That's all for this lesson. I hope that you found this video enjoyable and informative. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa nanti.